In this video, I'll guide you through how to add citations in Google Docs if you're writing an essay, a research paper, or any document where you need to credit your sources. Using the built-in citation tool in Google Docs can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll explain what's happening on screen so you understand not just what to click, but why it works. First, open your document in Google Docs. You can either start a brand new document if you're beginning a fresh project, or open an existing file where you've already started writing. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and give your document a clear title if you haven't already. This will make it easier to keep your work organized, especially if you're managing multiple assignments. Once your document is open, look toward the very top of the screen at the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're looking for is the option labeled Tools. Click on Tools and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, find and click on Citations. When you select Citations, a panel will open on the right-hand side of your document. This is the dedicated citation sidebar where you'll manage all of your sources for this document. At the top of the Citations panel, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose a citation style. Common options include MLA, APA, and Chicago. Select the style that your instructor, institution, or publisher has requested. If you're not sure which one to use, check your assignment guidelines or syllabus. Choosing the right style here is important because Google Docs will format your in-text citations and your bibliography or works cited list based on this setting. With your citation style selected, you're ready to start adding sources. In the Citations panel, click the button that lets you add a new source. Google Docs will ask you what type of source you're citing. This might be a website, a book, a journal article, or something else like a film or a newspaper article. Choose the option that best matches where your information came from. After you pick the source type, you'll see a series of fields you can fill in, such as author, title, publisher, publication date, and URL, depending on the source. Take a moment to enter this information as accurately as you can. The more complete and correct your details are, the better your final citations will look. If something like a publication date is missing from your source, just leave that field blank rather than guessing. Once you've filled out the information, confirm or save the source. It will now appear in the list in your Citations panel. Whenever you need to insert an in-text citation into your document, place your cursor where you want the citation to appear, then come back to the Citations panel, select the source, and choose the option to insert the citation. Google Docs will format it according to the style you selected. When you're ready to add a full bibliography or works cited page at the end of your document, place your cursor where you want that list to go, usually on a new page at the end, and use the Citations panel to insert the full bibliography. Google Docs will automatically generate it from the sources you've added. That's all you need to know to start adding and managing citations directly in Google Docs using the built-in tools.